How to make a book cover in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to be discussing how you can make your very own hard book cover using Canva, and it's going to be very easy and very simple. Canva is an amazing platform that provides you your own canvas, and it's going to be an empty canvas, and you can unleash your whole world of imagination on that blank canvas, creating anything that you desire or like. So you're going to want to create a book cover. So for that, we're just going to get right into it and go on canva.com. So here we are in canva.com. Now, obviously, you need to sign in with your Google. And if you don't know how to use Canva, it's very simple. You just need to check out the video I have posted regarding how you can use Canva. And once you check that out, it's a very simple and easy tutorial. Once you watch it, you're going to know how to use Canva, and you're going to know the basic interface and the other basics of how Canva really works. So once you learn all that, from there it's going to be easy, because now what I'm going to show you is just some simple steps that you can do on the first try. So let's get right into it then. So to make a book cover, you're going to first of all, you can either come down here and write book cover. For example, if I write book cover, there you go. You see the book cover template. Or you can just go in the design spotlight, and over here you can find many different templates, and book cover is probably going to be in one of them. If you don't see it anywhere over here, you can always just come in the search bar and click it over here. So just click on book cover, and once you click on that, it's going to take you to the various amount of templates that Canva has regarding book covers. And look at that. Look at how amazing these templates are. Now, some of them are either paid or they're for the pro version of Canva, which you can buy, which I will discuss at the end of the video. But right now, we're going to go ahead and see how we can do it. We're going to see how we can make a book cover without a template, or making a book cover on our own blank canvas. So I'm just going to open this in the new tab. And I'm going to open some template over here too. For example, I like this book cover. It looks amazing. So I'm just going to click on that. And once I do, Canva is going to open it in a tab. And we can see how things were made. So obviously, the text over here was from Canva, but the picture in the back was obviously taken from somewhere else. It was probably edited in Photoshop or Illustrator, because these type of images are usually created over there. But as you can see, once the image was created, how the text, if we remove the text right now, look at how majorly the text and the way you've written the text impacts your photo. So look at that, how much it looks like a book cover now. Without it, it just looks like a movie poster, but with it, it looks like a proper cover. Or we can also check this one out. Look at how artistic this one is. So as you can see now, for example, if you delete this, look at that. This is a PNG that was transferred from somewhere else. So that is exactly what we're going to learn to do on our blank canvas. So let's not, because it's our first try, we're not going to try to make it too grand like this one. Obviously, because for these, you need other programs. But we're just going to make it simple, and we're going to make it out of all the elements and contents we have right here on Canva. So we're first of all going to decide what background color our book is supposed to be. So let's make it a dark blue. It's going to be a dark blue hardcover. And now let's go ahead and start adding some elements on it. Now, of course, it depends on what type of book it is. If it's a book for kids, so obviously you're going to find doodles, which attracts kids. But obviously, if it's for adults, you're going to try to make it a bit professional and a bit mature. So let's say we're trying to make it for adults, and we want to make a book, something regarding detectives. So I'm going to write detective. And once I write that, look at this. I find all these amazing elements that I can use on my book. So we're just going to find the one that we deem best. And I think this is going to be best. Look at that. Look at how amazing that looks. It looks great already. So we're just going to put it there. You're going to set the color to whatever you like. I think it looks great in black, so I'm going to keep it like that. Then I'm going to go on text. Let's do anything like Jack the Ripper, for example. This is just a random title for our book. And we're going to align it. And once we've aligned it, we're going to bring it down in the middle. You can decrease the font, obviously. So if I decrease the font, I'm going to do that. And once I've done that, now obviously we're going to need to add more elements because it looks too empty, it looks too dry. So we're going to go on borders. And once we do that, we're going to try to find a border that will look good and fit right into this. So I think this one will fit right good. I'm going to make it white. And once I do that, I'm just going to adjust the angle on a 90 degree. Then I'm just going to expand it and try to fit it right into my borders. So yeah, there we go. There we go. And yeah, so that looks much better now. You can mess around with it if you want to. For example, we don't want this white color. We're just going to make it like that. And look at that. That looks much better and it looks much less dry. So now what you can do is add more elements down there. For example, let's add a box. And in this box, we can just add random things. For example, look at that. We're just going to expand this box. And once we expand it, you can start writing details about about the author of the title, about any type of information that you want to give. For example, author, or you can write written by, and you can write the name of the writer if you want to. And once you do that, you can put it right here. You can change the color of the text to black. You can even change the font. You can change the font size. We're going to do that. Then under here, we're just going to write the same thing, but obviously we're going to write illustrated by, I'm just going to take any random name, for example, Helmsley. Just write that. And we're just going to adjust the text so it doesn't look bad. And once you've adjusted it, then you can play around with it more, but this is the basic gist of how you can create your very own book titles. Now this is a very basic one, but you can obviously go in templates and you can take inspirations from these one. For example, you can use background gradients, you can grain it up, you can make it look much better. But this is obviously the starting base. So if you're creating it for the first time, I'd recommend you keep it simple. So once you've done all of this, what you're going to need to do to export it is go on share. And once you go on share, you're going to click on download. And once you click on download, you click on file type and choose the type of file you want to download. If you want to download a JPG or a PNG, you can do that. Or if you want to download it in a PDF form, for example, if you want to print it, you can do it in that as well. But obviously for printing purposes, I do PNG or PDF print. So the best quality is for PNG. So I'm just going to download it in PNG. And once I've done that, yeah, there I go. I have my book cover right here with me, and it took me hardly 8 to 7 minutes. So once you're done with all that, you have your amazing book cover. So yeah, that's about it. And for me, I'm just going to show you real quick how you can go to the plans and pricings and buy the Pro program. So yeah, here's going to be the tab. You're going to go down here, and here's the Pro program. And you can just download it and you can get all these amazing new features. For example, there are a few templates that you can't use in the free program. So just download the Pro one and you can get amazing templates. But even in the free ones, you can get great ones from which you can take inspiration from. But that is totally on you. That depends on what you want. So apart from that, yeah, that's basically it. That's how you create your very own book cover in Canva. I hope this tutorial was easy for you, and I hope it inspires you to create more book covers. Drop a like on the video. Make sure to comment. Make sure to share the video as it helps me out a lot. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries or if you want me to make more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye.